In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly password. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps simplify appointment setting, whether you're coordinating with clients, colleagues, or friends. If you've been relying on your Google account to log into Calendly, you might decide it's time to unlink it and set up a standalone password for easier access and greater security. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process so you can confidently change your login preferences and secure your Calendly account. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your email and password associated with your Calendly account. Alternatively, if you've been using your Google account to log in, you can simply click on Continue with Google. This will take you to a screen where you can select your linked Google account. Just keep in mind that Calendly might ask for your consent to continue. If this happens, simply click Continue to move forward. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see either your profile picture or your name displayed. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Profile. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the option labeled Login Preferences. Click on it to open the settings for managing how you log into your account. If your account is currently connected to Google, you'll see an option to unlink it. Click on Unlink and Calendly may ask you to confirm this action. Don't worry, this is just a precaution to ensure you really want to make this change. Confirm your decision to proceed. With your Google account unlinked, Calendly will guide you through the process of setting up a new password. This is an important step because having your own unique password allows you to log in directly to Calendly without relying on your Google account. Choose a strong and secure password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've decided on a password, enter it in the designated field. Next, to make sure there are no typos, you'll need to confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Double-check both entries to ensure they match perfectly. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial because it updates your login preferences and ensures your account is now more secure and fully independent of Google login. Finally, to verify that everything is working as it should, log out of your Calendly account. Then try logging back in using the email and password you just created. This quick test will give you peace of mind that your new login credentials are fully functional. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Calendly password and updated your login preferences. By unlinking your Google account and setting up a unique password, you've taken an important step toward improving the security and flexibility of your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.